Yes.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
So, Kushagra, tell me something about yourself.
Sure, sir. So, my name is Kushagra Yadav. Sir, I am similar to my name as I'm prudent and disciplined boy. Sir, I belong to Ottawa, which is also known as City of Chief Minister. And sir, I am pursuing my 8th standard from Delhi Public School. And sir, my achievements are that I secured a second rank in speech competition and a under 1000 rank in National Science Olympiad. And I've also got a gold medal from a school in achieving good marks in International Social Science Olympiad. And ma'am, my hobbies are that I like to play cricket and watch motivational movies. And sir, my strengths are that I am a confident, punctual, and optimistic boy.
Yes, Kushagra. What is the mean of your name?
Yes, sir. So the meaning of my name is sharp-minded and intelligent.
You belong from Ottawa. First, you tell me about your about Ottawa.
Yes, sir. So Etawah is also known was earlier known as Ishtikapuri, and so it is situated on the banks of Yamuna, and so it is also the confluence of Yamuna and Chambal River, and so Etawah is situated in the western part of UP. So the literacy rate of Etawah is 81.75%, and so Etawah was also a major part of revolt of 1857.
Yes, you tell me revolt of 1857. Can you tell me? Can you explain about revolt 1857?
Yes, sir. So the revolt of 1857 takes place in the year 1857. So in this revolt, so the Indians realized that they have to live independently and to fight for their independence. They have done a revolt, and so the revolt was first started by Mangal Pandey, a army soldiers who denied to use the cartilages which were made up of the fat of cow and pig.
Okay, who lead? Which leader lead from Kanpur? Revolt 1857.
So yes, sir. Sir, I think so. Sir, Tatya Tope.
Satya Tope.
Yes,
Okay, what is the full form of LOC
yes, sir. So the full form of LOC is line of control.
and LAC?
Sir, the full form of for LAC is line uh, actual control.
Okay, who invented zero?
So the zero was invented by Aryabhatta, and he was the great mathematician of India.
Okay, why do you want to join military?
Yes, sir. So I want to join military, sir, because I am a adventurous, passionate, and challenging boy. So I love challenges, and so I have found that in military I can find my hobbies and I can also serve my country. That's why I want to join military.
Okay, that you have said. Tell me about your challenging situation you overcome.
Yes, sir. So the first challenging situation was to me that to crack the UP Sainik School written exam. So to crack this written exam, I have done a very hard work, and so due to this, I am sitting over here.
Okay, tell me about your three weaknesses and strength.
Yes, sir. So first of all, my strengths are that I am a self-confident, punctual, and optimistic boy. And sir, I have sir only one weakness that sir I want every work in perfection. And sir, due to this, my lunch and my another work get hampered. And sir, because of this in exams, when I am doing study, I oftenly skip my lunch. Due to this, I am scolded by my mother.
What are your career goals on your military?
Sir, may I beg your pardon?
I'm just asking what are your career goals within the military?
So my career goals are that I have to be an lieutenant officer in Indian Army. Then I have to serve my country and protect my country from the enemies.
Okay, given an example of situation where are you had to make a difficult decision under pressure.
Yes, sir. Sir, that if any enemy country attacks on India, that it will be a pressuring moment for me how to handle that moment.
Okay, which place do you want to go and why?
So I want to go to Siachen Glacier that is present in Ladakh. So because sir, it is a very challenging place, and to survive there, it itself a challenge for every soldier.
Okay, what are the values of military?
So the values of military is that the military should be disciplined, dedicated, and confident.
Why do you choose military?
So I have choose military that I because I found that in military there are the that the discipline that would be needed in my life and that I can fulfill in the military.
Okay, who can inspire you?
So my inspiration is Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey.
Why?
So because sir, firstly he was born in 1975, and sir, he was also a part of Kargil War, which was held in 1999. And sir, when he was fighting the Kargil War, he was only of 25 of 24 years, and sir, he martyred for the country to protect the country.
Who was the defense minister during Kargil war?
Yes, sorry sir, I don't remember this.
And who was president?
Sorry sir, I'm not.
Kushag, you tell about your hobby, cricket.
Yes sir.
Uh,
Yes ma'am.
about cricket.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, cricket is the most popular game in India, and sir, the India has recently won 20 T20I World Cup 2024, and sir, in cricket there are 11 players in a single team, and so recently, sir, in cricket. The captain of T20I India team is Suryakumar Yadav and ODI team is Rohit Sharma.
Any player join military?
Ma'am, pardon?
Any player of cricket India cricket team join military?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the former Indian captain and former player, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, was a cricket player and he is also in Indian Army.
Yes. Tell me about radar.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Ma'am, the full form of radar is radio, uh, radio detection and ranking. And ma'am, it is used mainly in the for the security purpose of the country. It is used in the air to detect the waves, sound waves, and some missiles.
Okay. Tell me about vitamins.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, vitamins are very needed in our body, and so and ma'am, the vitamins were found by Mr. Saimir Funk. And ma'am, there are ma'am several deficiencies of vitamin. Like in deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. With deficiency of vitamin B causes scurvy. With deficiency of vitamin sorry ma'am, deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi, and the deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, and ma'am, etc.
Vitamin A का chemical name of vitamin A.
Sorry ma'am, I don't know about this.
Okay. Largest artery.
Sorry ma'am, I don't know.
Okay.
Which country hosts Champions Trophy?
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, recently, sir, the Champions Trophy is hosted in Pakistan.
Tell me five cups trophies of cricket.
Yes, sir. Sir, the Ashes Border Gavaskar Trophy, and sir, third Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy, and sir, fourth Ranji Trophy, fifth, sir, World Cup, T20I World Cup.
Mr. Kushag, what do you think about military school?
Yes, sir. So the I think about military school. In my opinion, that the military school is very disciplined, and the environment and the faculty of military schools are very good and as compared to other school. In the military school, the student get a good environment to to achieve their goal to be an army, navy, and air force officer.
Yes, Kushag. Who was the father of Indian Constitution?
Yes, sir. So the father of Indian Constitution is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Do you have any concern about our school or Sainik school, UP Sainik school?
No, sir. Sir, don't have any concern. So that everything is going good in both UP Sainik School, and so the environment and the faculty of UP Sainik School is excellent.
Okay. Tell me your favorite teacher.
So my favorite teacher is Devin sir, and sir he is my favorite because he always solves my doubts very politely and teaches me very in a easy way, and he is a very jovial person.
The area of hexagonal.
Yes. So the area of hexagon is a regular hexagon is 6 into side.
How many diagonals in decagon?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm not aware about this answer.
Uh, A plus B plus C का whole square.
Yes, sir. So the answer is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca.
What is polygon?
Yes, sir. So polygon is a figure which is made up of four or more than four line segments.
What is the difference between concave and convex polygons?
Yes, sir. So the concave polygons are having one diagonal, and whereas the convex polygon are having two diagonal. And sir, the one angle of convex polygon is less than 180 degree, and concave polygon is more than 180 degree.
What is regular and irregular polygons?
Yes, sir. So the regular polygons are the polygons which are having all sides and angle equal, and the irregular polygons are the polygons which are having the angles and sides differ from each other.
Do you know basic proportional theorem?
No, sir.
Uh, Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain.
Yes, sir. Sir, the Pythagoras theorem is used in right angle triangle to find base perpendicular or base of a triangle. And sir, the formula of to find hypotenuse in Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square.
Tell me two triplets.
Yes, sir. So first is uh, 48, 47, 50, and sir, 2, 8, 10.
You ask me a question.
That you have said your favorite game is cricket.
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite cricketer?
So my favorite cricketer is Surya Kumar Yadav.
Surya Kamara. Tell me about achievements of Surya Kumar Yadav.
Yes, sir. So Surya Kumar Yadav is a very dedicated and determined person in achieving his batting in the Indian team. And so he was also the part of the T20I cricket World Cup winning India team. And so the style of his playing is very nice, and uh, in the style in which he flick and play the shot is very good, and so he is also known as Sky or Mr. 360 degree.
Okay.
Tell me about book you ever read.
Yes, ma'am. The book I have read is in Ignited Minds, written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Tell me 2 points about APJ Abdul Kalam.
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam is was Abul Pakir Janulabdin Abdul Kalam, and ma'am, he was a former president of India, former 11th president, and ma'am, he has also contributed in setting the Indian Space Organization, and also he has contributed to the DRDO in by building some missiles like Agni.
Full form of DRDO?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the full form of DRDO is de- uh, Development and sorry, ma'am, I am not remembered about.
Uh, President of India?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the currently president of India is Miss Draupadi Murmu.
About Draupadi Devi Murmu?
Yes, ma'am. Miss Draupadi Murmu belongs to a tribal community of India, and ma'am, she is very polite and dedicated in nature.
Which tribe is famous from Assam?
Sir, in Assam, sir, the Gond tribe is very famous.
And recently, who is chairman of DRDO?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of it.
Okay, Kushak, thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.